Every refacing job requires some basic tools and supplies, as well as refacing tools for applying PSA, short for Pressure Sensitive Adhesive. The refacing tools you will need are included in our Refacing Toolkit. This video provides an overview of the tools and supplies you will need for refacing and explains how to use the tools in our Refacing Toolkit. Having a few power tools will help you work more quickly. We recommend a drill with a self-centering pre-drill bit, a cordless nail gun, an orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper, a variable speed hand router such as a Bosch Colt, and optionally a miter saw or table saw. Several varieties of adhesive and filler are needed to prepare cabinets and apply refacing materials. You can find a comprehensive list of these materials, as well as other frequently used hand tools and supplies, in our Pro Guide to Refacing. Our Refacing Toolkit contains the best tools for achieving consistent, clean, professional results when applying PSA to cabinet surfaces. The Slitter cuts PSA, which comes in sheets, into strips. We also offer pre-cut strips in 2 and 3.5 inch widths for an additional fee. To use the Slitter, first place the PSA facing down on the floor so the adhesive backing is facing up. Don't forget to protect the floor with moving blankets or cardboard. Grab the handle of the Slitter and keep it flat against the side of the material as you cut. PSA strips should be approximately 1/2 inch wider and 2 inches longer than the area you plan to cover. After applying the oversized strips of PSA to the cabinet face, use the orange hand trimmer to remove excess PSA. The orange hand trimmer will not cut all the way into the cabinet corners, so you should use a snap blade knife to clean up corners. Use the trim guide and a snap blade knife to remove excess PSA where the stiles and rails meet, creating a smooth joint. The ceramic edge trimmer creates a clean, profiled edge that prevents the PSA from being caught on objects when the cabinets are in use. Start at the center of the stiles and rails and work out toward the corners of the cabinet. Make sure you wipe off your cutting devices frequently as you use them to prevent adhesive buildup on the blades.